Hi, I'm Vanelli with the Skylum Education team, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Sunrays filter to creatively change the look and feel of a Florida sunrise. Let's get started. Skylum co-founder, Dima, and VP of Engineering, Ivan, came for a visit to Florida. We went out shooting a Florida sunset. Here's a beautiful image Ivan took. To save time and jumpstart our creativity, let's quickly process this by using one of the landscape Luminar looks. Browse through each of these. Ooh, I like this one. Wait, did I just chimp? Chimping is a made-up technical term photographers use to describe something we all do. We take a picture, we look at the back of the camera, and instantly we go, ooh, 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 imitating the sounds of a chimpanzee. Now, the problem with chimping is if you're doing it too much, you're gonna lose sight of what's in front of you. Save the chimping for browsing through Luminar looks. Click the Add Filter button, navigate to the Creative Filters, and select the Sunrays filter. The first thing we want to do is place the sun in a natural position. So click the Place Sun Center button and move the pin to place it where it looks like it belongs. The first set of sliders control the sun rays, the second set controls the sun, and the final set controls the overall effect. Normally, I start adjusting the filter controls from top to the bottom, but for the Sunrays filter, I like to start by setting the color temperature of the sun and the sun rays. So let's make the sun rays warmer. So adjust the color temperature of the rays. So do the same for the sun. Match the sun rays settings to match the warmth of the sun. Great. These bottom two sliders will affect the overall image. So the overall penetration is pretty cool. This impacts how much the sun passes through an area. Look how we can make it appear to hide behind the clouds. This can be useful when trying to compose the rays naturally into a photo. The overall randomize feature will help us get entirely new results that are variations based on the current settings. All right, so let's start from top to bottom. Now the sun rays amount controls the overall intensity of the sun rays. The sun rays look will change the overall brightness of the scene. Let's adjust the number of sun rays. The sun ray length will impact the distance the sun rays will travel. So the sun radius will affect the size of the sun rays, so basically the center of the sun. And last, the glow radius. This will change the size of the glow around the sun. Now we're going to fine tune these two settings, so we'll go back and forth between these two. All right, so this is looking great. Let's compare the original image to our final edit. Here is the raw file straight out of the camera. And now here's the vibrant final edit. How cool is that? Now, the Sunrays filter works best on images that are already backlit. So think beach scenes, forest, landscapes, and if you really want to get creative, try it on a portrait of a person. Now, the Sunrays filter is like a character actor. Their job is to add a little extra to the scene, not to overpower it. So when you use the Sunrays filter, use it in small doses to make it look great. The key is to experiment and see what works best for you. I'm Vanelli for the Skylum Education team. Thanks for watching.